In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your subscriber count on your YouTube channel. So let's not waste another second and jump into the laptop and get started. So we're going to head inside of our YouTube studio. We're going to head down the left-hand side, go into our settings, and then we're going to head over to channel and advanced settings. We're going to then scroll down and you're going to see your subscriber count is there. Now, if you've currently got this ticked, it means that it's going to display the number of subscribers to your YouTube channel. So if you really want to hide the number of subscribers for your YouTube channel, all you need to do is untick this box and then YouTube will no longer display your number of subscribers. Now, before you untick this box, I want to talk to you about showing the number of subscribers. YouTube is all about the community and your growth. So don't be embarrassed when you're first starting out on YouTube. People want to watch content from new creators and they want to support new creators. I've seen so many comments on channels where they're so positive and saying how amazing the person's content is and why they think that the creator deserves way more subscribers. Creating the support and getting your community to come along with you on your journey as you grow your YouTube channel is so important. Subscribers love being there from the start and seeing your journey and seeing your growth and going with you and building your YouTube channel together. So don't remove your subscriber count because you're embarrassed that you're just starting out. Starting out on YouTube is the best part of the entire journey. It's so much fun building your channel and creating your community as they come together while you're creating your videos for them. So my advice to you would be to keep your subscriber count displayed on your YouTube channel. Share the journey and grow together. If you agree with this, then let me know by leaving a comment down below with a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you want more tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel, you can watch our next video right here.